Hi, my name is Kalin Morse, and this is my reflection of the 2-week Ag and Food Science Summer Program. In this program, I planned to explore different career opportunities in Ag. The first place we went was the Desert Research and Extension Center Cattle Yard, where we learned about the different studies on pen densities and how they affect cattle production and growth. The next place we went to was Lidco. There, we practiced surveying a field in order to let the workers know where the tile lines were. This way, they could replace them with new ones. We also went to the Ag Commissioner's office, where Mr. Perez took us to a packing shed in order to see the procedures of making sure the shipment is safe. Also, we inspected Home Depot's nursery. Another place we went was the Desert and Research and Extension Center, where the director, Jairo Diaz, showed us how to collect several types of water and soil samples and test them for things such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and pH. I think what Jairo does impacts ag not only on a local scale, but also on a global scale. Thank you, Jairo Diaz. We also visited the University of Arizona Yuma campus. There, they showed us the different type of ag programs that they offer, especially for Imperial Valley students. The main thing that caught my attention was that they offer in-state tuition and will soon be offering transportation for $10 per semester. That same day, we went to the Yuma Research and Extension Center, where they showed us different studies on making essential oil extract from basil and different growing techniques for bell peppers. The next day, we visited the USDA Service Center. They told us about their work to help rural communities in their development and upbringing. Also, we went to the Farm Credit Services Southwest office in order to learn about the different types of loans that a farmer could get and how he might acquire one from this branch. Another place we visited was El Toro Land and Cattle and El Toro Exports. At this place, they are in business with the two largest commodities produced here in the Imperial Valley, cattle being number 1 and alfalfa being number 2. This company is a huge part of the ag production of the Imperial Valley. One place we went was Spreckels Sugar, where we learned of the massive sugar beet production of the Imperial Valley. The last place we visited was Swim Systems, where they told us of their systems that help farmers conserve water, which in turn saves them money. Throughout this program, we helped work on the pizza garden restoration with things such as soil testing, layout planning, and manual labor. Thank you, USDA and FarmSmart. This program has widened my view on the different career opportunities in ag and will definitely help me in life.